Oh man, finally 11 hours waiting around. And if I'm not mistaken, you'll see it because I got to go close this gate. Where's that? Suzuki GSXR 250. Chase, Stephanie's son, had one just like that. It's got an under 21 tag too. So, Whitehead, Bankhead, Colorado. But anyway, that Suzuki GSXR 250 Chase had one just like that. And I want to say he traded it to his uncle, Jay. I think that's what he said. Or Sean. Or Shane. Or something like that. I don't remember. But it definitely looks just like his. I don't know. I'm going to take a picture of it. Not really. I'm going to take the tag number though and research it. Because that looks just like his. That's a badass bike. Look at, see? Look at that. That's cool as shit. 07 BST under 21.